This should keep the birds away.
There, now he looks quite proper.
What do you think, Rose? Too much?
No, it suits you perfectly.
Pass me the sponge, please.
Here you go, don't miss the mirrors.
We're almost out of milk.
Got it, I'll add eggs too.
How small should these pieces be?
Just a bit smaller, then add them in.
This dough feels just right.
A bit more flour won't hurt.
That's plenty of lemon now.
And a little sugar to balance it.
This green stuff is stubborn today.
There, good as new again.
This one can go in storage now.
There, now we'll find it easily.
This side needs a little more work.
You're right, Ben, just a bit more there.
Come on, girls, breakfast is ready.
And look, a fresh egg today.
I'll cut these a bit shorter.
Perfect, they'll fit beautifully now.
Don't forget the cheese, sweetheart.
Already in, along with the grapes.
This one was getting quite dull.
Much better now, thank you.
Just a few more rings to go.
Here's the last one, Ben.
The tomatoes need water today.
Yes, it's quite dry down here.
One more fold and we're done.
This quilt always feels so soft.
This window needed it badly.
It's already looking much brighter.
This pile is getting quite big.
Perfect, let's fill this bag up.
Almost ready for the cocoa powder.
There, now it's just right.
I think it's thin enough now.
Perfect, let's fill it up.
This side needs one more steak.
They're going to love this.
How much lettuce do we need?
That's plenty. Now add the tomatoes.
Just a few more turns.
It's steady now, well done.
That smells wonderful already.
Now we roll it up tight.
This basil is growing so fast.
Perfect, just enough for the sauce.
We should keep this box, I think.
Oh yes, definitely keep this one.
Here are all the buttons, dear.
Thank you, this will take a while.
I think that's enough fruit now.
Perfect, now let's blend it.
I think it's time to flip it.
Go on, show me your best flip.
Which color do you like better?
The soft blue looks lovely with the garden.
There, now the birds will find it.
They'll be so happy to see this.
Let's sort these by color first.
Good idea, I'll start with the reds.
This peach is perfectly sweet.
Wonderful, let's add these berries too.
It's grown too big for this pot.
Here, try this bigger one instead.
How about this one tonight?
That's a wonderful choice. I love that one.
What's a 5-letter word for happy?
Try jolly. That should fit.
These leaves collect so quickly.
Here, let me hold the dustpan.
It smells amazing already.
The jars are ready whenever it is.
There's our favorite station.
I haven't heard this song in years.
Let's put these in order now.
This one goes right in front.
Careful, it's very hot.
And a few biscuits to go with it.
How about these sunflowers this year?
Oh, those would look lovely by the fence.
Here he comes again.
He knows exactly where to look.
I think blue suits this one.
It'll look wonderful in the garden.
The sky looks perfectly clear tonight.
Let me have a look too.
Look, this one is from our wedding.
Oh, Ben, we looked so young.
This knot should hold it well.
It feels sturdy. Let's try it.
It says we need 2 eggs.
Coming right up, dear.
These plates haven't been out in ages.
Tonight calls for something special.
This striped one looks nice.
It's soft, too. Let's use it.
That should quiet it down.
Not a single squeak now.
How does it look from there?
Much better. More light now.
I know that wrench is here somewhere.
Found it. It was hiding here.
Just one more pole to go.
There. Now it's nice and tight.
We can donate the extra pots.
Good idea. This place needed it.
How about the mountain one?
That one has 1,000 pieces.
This branch was growing too long.
It's taking a lovely shape now.
This one is just an advertisement.
Oh, this one's from your cousin.
None of these quite match.
Wait, Ben, this one is perfect.
Breakfast is served, my dear.
What a lovely surprise this morning.
Look how thin it's getting.
Perfect, just like Grandmother used to make.
This one is still perfectly good.
Good, let's put it back then.
We collected so many this time.
This one is my favorite by far.
How about something slow tonight?
Ben, play this one, please.
That should be enough for one tray.
The neighbors will love these.
There, it's finally sturdy.
Perfect, come sit with me.
This one had seen better days.
The new buds are coming along nicely.
These frames were getting quite dusty.
This clock still keeps perfect time.
What a beautiful end to the day.
It really is, my dear.
We should keep this box, I think.
Oh, yes, definitely keep this one.
These frames were getting quite dusty.
This clock still keeps perfect time.
That smells wonderful already.
Now we roll it up tight.
We collected so many this time.
This one is my favorite by far.
Breakfast is served, my dear.
What a lovely surprise this morning.
Just a few more turns.
It's steady now, well done.
This dough feels just right.
A bit more flour won't hurt.